So 3 best keyword research tools for Amazon sellers with the best discounts, promo codes, and videos that show you how to use them in the description of this video. Great to meet you. My name is VovaAmz, an Amazon seller since 2016. So the first tool I have for you is called Helium 10, good for keyword research on Amazon. In the description, you're gonna find free account and best coupon codes for Helium 10 so you can save money. And also videos that show you how to use all the tools of Helium 10, plus a playlist of tutorials that shows you how to use Helium 10 as a whole. So there's over 200 videos there. So you can navigate, check out the playlist. You can use the search options there as well. All right. In general, you can use the search option on my channel to check for different videos as well. So the first tool for keyword research on Amazon is Helium 10. Helps you find great keywords for your products. It's also good for product research. Keyword research and product research are like tied together on Amazon. So that's the first tool. And the second tool I have for you for keyword research is called ZonGuru, right? In the description, you have the best discounts for ZonGuru. And also you have tutorial of Keyword Scout, right? That's the tool by ZonGuru that helps you with keyword research on ZonGuru. But also you'll find a playlist of tutorials with over 100 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of ZonGuru, right? And the third tool I have for you for keyword research on Amazon is called Sellerise, right? There's a video in the description that shows you how to use the keyword tool of Sellerise. And then also there's a free trial of Sellerise and also a discount, 10% recurring discount in the description, special link. And also a full tutorial of all the tools of Sellerise, about 90 minutes, 30x3, 90 minutes tutorial of Sellerise, how to use it from A to Z, and a playlist of tutorials. So check it out. It's also gonna appear here on the screen. I'm gonna move a little bit, so I'm gonna place like a few videos here, playlist of Helium 10, how to use it, playlist of ZonGuru, and playlist of Sellerise, right? So check them all out and be well. Good luck to you in your life.